Alright, y'all know what this is, man. This is Code 7.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We are back.
Yes, we are, people. How y'all feeling out there, man? How y'all day going? Hopefully y'all feeling blessed, man. I'm feeling blessed today, man.
Yeah, man, we good. I'm good.
We good,
I'm
man.
good. So I need y'all to, look, when y'all watch this, I need y'all to get in the comment section.
Tell us something, man.
Tell us what you think about it.
Critique
if
us.
you like it. Let us know if we trash. Put it all out there, man. Throw the shit in the comment section.
Yeah.
Every video that we review do be in the description below, so you can always find whatever video we're reviewing.
Yeah, check it out, man.
Just in case y'all missed them. But y'all know what it is, man. We do this shit for the city. I am your boy Skinny.
Hey, it's your boy Tizzle, man, and we back with the boy Bizzl3, dog, again with the boy Spitta. Y'all already know how we feel about Trey, man. Bizzl3, man. That
Bizzl3 gotta be one of the hardest working niggas, man. We didn't get y'all a video review. We didn't get y'all an interview with this nigga. We didn't get y'all an album review. This nigga got another video.
He got a video after
another
this
mixtape. He got, listen, this nigga
hard.
gotta be one of the hardest niggas working. But
that nigga out here working like Kevin Hart 2 years ago.
Man, he's working.
Oh, everything.
So y'all, you have to tap in. Sure, and I appreciate the way that he doing his work, man. He only drops shit on his channel. He don't give the director. He don't let the director do it on their channel. He throw it on his channel. He's building his brand, and I respect that. Keep building your motherfucking brand, man. Everybody needs to take notes on
you
what
are your money, man. You are your money.
You are your. Y'all tap in with everybody if y'all feel like this is gonna be the third shit y'all see from us from Bizzl3.
For sure.
So
and it's
y'all
another
tap
one.
in.
It's another one. We trying to be easy with it. We trying
y'all
to be
tap in and send us the videos. I know I got some shit from some other people. We're going to get into that too. So, with that being said, man, I'm not going to hold y'all too long. Dog featuring Spitta.
Let's go.
Are you ready?
They keep asking how I'm living. I say day to day. They say your brother still in that prison. I say day to day. Ain't living great, but shit, I'm trying to get my family straight. But we gon' make it in a major way. Hey.
This ain't even on his album, no.
This one dropped like a couple days ago.
Yeah, I know. I'm saying the song ain't dropped on his album.
Oh, I don't know. He just dropped another EP or something after this.
Oh, yeah, he got a storyline. He on something.
Oh, he on something. Hey,
he on something.
Listen. Y'all don't look. I'm hyped and shit. We ain't even got into the video only because I've been telling bro we need. I like storylines. So whatever the fuck just happened, I'm loving it right now. Car accident right now. Car fucked up. I'm loving this.
Hey, share something, bitch. Stains on my t-shirt. Stains on my drawers. To her, I'm a dog. To me, she the law. She checking my phone. I'm not coming home. When I'm gone, she act grown. She keep leading me on. That's why I got stains on my t-shirt. Stains on my drawers. To her, I'm a dog. To me, she the law. She checking my phone. I'm not coming home. When I'm gone, she act grown.
Oh, I'm fucking with this one.
Oh, yeah, he on something, bro.
Oh, I'm fucking with this one.
Yeah,
Oh, I'm fucking with this one. Yeah.
She checking my phone. I'm not coming home. When I'm gone, she act grown. She keep leading me on. That's why I got stains on my t-shirt and stains on my drawers. I should've never let it get this far. I got the feeling we been here before. With you, I can't act like I'm not insecure.
Shotty Pooh.
What
What up, Rally?
I got the feeling we been here before. With you, I can't act like I'm not insecure. With you make me feel like I'm immature. The game that we playing ain't good for our heart. If you right or wrong, I just let you get yours. If you right or wrong, I just let you get yours. You think I'm wrong, I won't go through your phone. That ain't man shit.
You heard the youngster?
That ain't
Hey,
man
listen.
shit.
You niggas out there going through y'all bitch phone while she sleep and shit,
that
man,
ain't
you
man
freaky, man.
shit.
You
That ain't-
weird, man.
That's,
You know
that's
what I'm
what we
saying?
needed.
Let the women have their own lane.
Bizzl, this is what I needed, nigga. That shit that's
Everything.
different. I just don't know straight gangster shit. I'm fucking with this.
Think I'm wrong, I won't go through your phone. That ain't man shit. Gang. Yeah, you think I'm wrong, I that's why stains on my t-shirt. Stains on my drawers. To her, I'm a dog.
Oh, stop it real quick. See, that's how dudes, if a dude feel his girl on something, like 9 times out of 10, he gonna just get her back. You feel what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like sometimes a guy won't even say nothing. He gonna just move different. You know what I'm saying? When he sees something wrong. Women, that's women to go through all through your shit. A woman gotta come and really do something in your face for you to really know.
I'm tired of tripping female.
Yeah,
that niggas. I'll smell the man cologne on you. That's why I got stain on my t-shirt.
I don't go through your phone. That ain't man shit. But I smell another nigga cologne on you. That's why stains on my t-shirt. Stains on my t-shirt. Stains on my drawers. To her, I'm a dog. To me, she the law. She checking my phone. I'm not coming home. When I'm gone, she act grown. She keep leading me on. That's why I got stains on my t-shirt. Stains on my drawers. To her, I'm a dog. To me, she the law. She checking my phone. I'm not coming home. When I'm gone, she act grown. She keep leading me on.
Hop in the gang everywhere, boy, it's rapping time. I shoot my shot at your bitches like Columbine. Since younger, a nigga been on her. She peep the game, yeah, she love my persona. Hit me when your nigga gone.
I fuck with this nigga Spitta too, man.
Spitta,
I
yeah,
just started getting on, dude.
Yeah, Spitta
fucking
with
Hop in the gang everywhere, boy, it's rapping time. I shoot my shot at your bitches like Columbine. Since younger, a nigga been on her. She peep the game, yeah, she love my persona. Hit me when your nigga gone. See, I be on the type of shit that he ain't never on. I'm talking hitting from the back until your frontal gone. I got lil' baby off the yak, you know what's going on. Had her with me like a nigga, but a nigga ain't me. Sounds sweet like lemonade, sugar, honey, iced tea. Look, I'm from the side where them niggas don't leave. My dangerous life make all the bitches want me. I'm a dog like Rufus. That's the reason why them dog hoes choose this. Ain't no color on my neck.
I'm a dog like Rufus. That's why these dog hoes choose this. Okay.
Your frontal gone. I got lil' baby off the yak, you know what's going on. Had her with me like a nigga, but a nigga ain't me. Sounds sweet like lemonade, sugar, honey, iced tea. Look, I'm from the side where them niggas don't leave. My dangerous life make all the bitches want me. I'm a dog like Rufus. That's the reason why them dog hoes choose this. Ain't no color on my neck, see I been broke the leash. Straight dog trying to find his way home in the streets. Check me out.
Stains on my t-shirt. Stains on my t-shirt. Stains on my drawers. To her, I'm a dog. To me, she the law. She checking my phone. I'm not coming home. When I'm gone, she act grown. She keep leading me on. That's why I got stains on my t-shirt. Stains on my t-shirt. Stains on my drawers. To her, I'm a dog. To me, she the law. She checking my phone. I'm not coming home. When I'm gone, she act grown. She keep leading me on. Stains on my t-shirt. Stains on my drawers. To her, I'm a dog. To me, she the law. She checking my phone. I'm not coming home. When I'm gone, she act grown. She keep leading me on. That's why I got stains on my t-shirt. Stains on my drawers. To her, I'm a dog. To me, she the law. She checking my phone. I'm not coming home. When I'm gone, she act grown. She keep leading me on.
Got up out of there.
skates off.
Man.
Got little on her.
Hey, right now,
You already know.
this the dopest video I done seen on here. This is the dopest video I done seen on here. That be the type of shit I like though. I like storylines. Like I like when you give me something. Like give me a video, nigga. And it's good to see you paying a fucking attention, man.
On me, man. He been going crazy.
By far the dopest artist out here. I don't give a fuck how y'all feel about it now. He was like my top 5. Now he number 1. Fuck it. This my favorite artist right now. He done gave me this video. I feel like he gave me the best album out here so far.
Yeah, he ain't missing. He ain't missing for sure. And it's crazy because every song, everything is growth. Like, a lot of people get stuck in a certain lane forever. You know what I'm saying? We hear the same type of shit for him forever. This dude, his album, man, I was just putting somebody on it earlier today. My boy Fuji. I think it was Fuji and my boy Gutter. I was telling them, like, listen, this dude's something different. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, God. He's something else. He's something else, and he been on it, man. He been consistent.
He working.
If don't nobody else deserve to make it, man, this nigga deserve to make it, man. With that being said, Bizzl3, you know what it is, man. We fucking with you tough over here, man.
For sure, man. And you know, you did your thing again, dropped heat again, cold album. Ain't nothing else we can say, man. Cold 7. Y'all have a blessed day. The boy shut it down again.
Day.
Yeah, that nigga crazy with it, bros.
Alright, y'all. You stuck around this long, you must like what you see. So if you new, go ahead and click the subscribe button. Make sure you press that bell. Make sure you click all. You can get all the notifications to the next show.